Anyways, I've just been watching the news. As you guys know, I told you before. Basically, I'm in Charlotte right now because we evacuated for this hurricane. Good morning. Excuse my face. I'm supposed to be vlogging and I have not been. So, you guys, right now, I'm in Charlotte. And yeah, I'm not celebrating because you know what? We evacuated due to Hurricane Dorian. Because Dorian trying to come and, you know, run us out of town or whatever. But we are out of town. Supposed to be vlogging right now. We're in the hotel. I didn't even do a room tour because this is honestly day 2. And I didn't even vlog the first day we got here because I was just so tired. But look at my view. I'm just going to show y'all. It's not nothing to see. They built another hotel across the street. So, yeah. You can see our little outdoor area down there. It's a nice hotel though.
A few moments later.
I just got back from having breakfast. It's almost like 9 o'clock, but I think I'm gonna lay back down and go to sleep because I am tired, okay? I'm tired. But I don't know, a lot of people from South Carolina is here right now. We're probably gonna go to my aunt's house, find something to do today, and I'll check back in with you guys once I'm not looking like this. So Hurricane Dorian just, you know, acting like a bitter baby mama out here and won't leave. Okay, so guys, y'all know I suck at vlogging, but I'm dressed, okay, and I got my baby dressed, but y'all know it takes me like 3 hours to get dressed because I gotta get myself ready. I have to get my baby ready, but here's the little OOTD. I want to change these shoes out just because I wanted to put on some heels and look dressy, but just for right now, because we about to go like grocery shopping and all kind of stuff, I'm in a rush. So I just put these shoes on because ain't nobody about to walk around in the grocery store with heels on. And my hair is like not really laid like I want it to be because I'm rushing. Waist training, y'all, so don't mind. But I'm gonna show you my outfit in the mirror. You'll see me looking like a blueberry. But yeah, this is my outfit that I got on. These little ankle pants, you know what I'm saying? I love this top. And I was gonna put my little Gucci bag on with it, but I'll put the Gucci bag on tonight because we're probably gonna end up going downtown. But I'll catch y'all guys. I'll come back when I got it together. Outside of my hotel, y'all know whenever I come, I gotta stay at the Hilton. Y'all, my aunt coming up in the Beamer to come get me. Okay. Look, boo. Sunroof come through. Hey, Gina.
Hi.
Why are we out of town?
Yeah, okay. Evacuation.
For what hurricane?
Dorian.
Okay. Y'all see, we was forced out of town. Hey, boo. Okay, guys, so We in the grocery store now. Long story short, I'll tell y'all what's going on when I get out of the grocery store. Okay, you guys. So I'm at my aunt's house.
Hey Alexa. Alexa, can you turn on the kitchen light? Alexa, can you please turn on the kitchen light? Okay.
Yay, finally.
Alexa is bomb. I'm at my aunt's house in Charlotte. But yeah, we are at my aunt's house and we're gonna have dinner here tonight. And it's just like, y'all see, this neighborhood is so pretty. I might have to move up here with my aunt, y'all. But we are basically out here. I had to walk out here because there's a lot of commotion going on inside. But we are evacuating for Dorian. And I'm just trying to get my life together. We about to have some wine. And my aunt got like every gadget known to man in here. The bus going by. It's weird to me because it's like we here for a hurricane, but like everything here is going on like normal. Like the kids are in school. We the only ones here, like we on vacation. But I'm about to walk back in my aunt's house because we about to make chicken Alfredo.
I'm sorry, Meg.
You all right?
Oh, Meg, you want to take this?
No, I'm vlogging for YouTube.
Oh, don't do that.
But we're in here. My cousin is chefing it up. I'm about to show y'all what she's doing. So we are gonna have chicken Alfredo for dinner because you know we got a traveling chef right here. Asia, say hi to my vlog.
Hey, y'all.
See me? Outfit of the day. Ay. I like this mirror now.
Motion detected at the backyard.
Yeah, my aunt got all kind of gizmos and gadgets in here. Ain't nobody finna break in.
I remember I used to roll down there.
Yeah, we used to roll down here. Backyard chilling. Go run up the hill and come back down. Run, 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 run. 1, 2, 3. Run fast as you can. Woo, woo, woo. What?
I like a double shot. Oh.
Me too, Lynn.
Yeah, that single shot thing. No, I ain't feeling that. That's why. That's what I'm saying. but you need a double shot to fuse some. I don't want no double shot, but you know I don't never drink. Well, you might drink soda. That's all I'm like.
Exactly.
2 hours later.
Yeah, I have not vlogged all day. I'm like the worst, but we back at the hotel now, in the pool. Well, I'm not getting in the pool because we about to go out later downtown. So I'm gonna walk around so y'all can see what it looks like. Okay, because I didn't even give y'all a hotel tour officially, but this is the pool, indoor pool, and it's the weight room behind me. But you know, I didn't even get y'all. I was so hungry. I didn't even show y'all the chicken Alfredo, but it was bomb. And my uncle made me a Bahama Mama. My cousin made some chicken Alfredo, but I'm gonna insert my snap actually so y'all can see what it looked like.
I had a lot.
Remember when you did?
But y'all, my little cousin's in the pool. We're the indoor pool. I wanted to take my baby in, but he can't go in there right now. I'm like walking down the stairs, so me and my cousin are going downtown, and I'm about to meet her downstairs. I had to run, get my wallet. I left my crossbody, but I didn't want to wear my Gucci crossbody tonight, so check your girl out. Check out that blueberry. Ow. Go down the building.
trippin', but we love, yeah. Swapping that cars with my bitch. I bought her the Lambo, she bought me the rest. Joanna. How you do me like Joanna? Nigga bitch, nigga bitch, nigga snitch, nigga hoe, nigga bitch, nigga bitch, nigga snitch, nigga hoe, nigga bitch, nigga bitch, nigga snitch, nigga hoe, nigga bitch, nigga bitch, nigga snitch, nigga hoe. 6 a.m. The way she shake that she make me wanna make a million, baby. The way she shake that she make me wanna make a million, baby.
Hey guys, so it is Thursday, September 4th, I think. I'm not even sure, but last night we did end up, I went downtown with my cousin, but you know, that was not really a fail, but we ended up coming back to the room because I was so tired and ready to get to bed, blah blah blah. But anyways, I've just been watching the news. As you guys know, I told you before, basically I'm in Charlotte right now because we evacuated for this hurricane, and God bless, we didn't get like too much damage. There was just like trees down. Some people have power outages and things like that, but it's nothing compared to what the people in the Bahamas experience. And when I tell you that I'm just so blessed, like we are so lucky, because it could have been worse. Like I might not have had a home to go back to. So we're gonna head out tomorrow, and right now I'm just basically going to enjoy the last day here in Charlotte. So you guys can see I'm still in the room, and I just have on this jeans dress with these sandals that I had on in one of my try on hauls that I showed you guys. But I'm gonna actually show you like outfit of the day in the mirror. I have this unit. This hair is from Uni's Hair. Y'all look at the curl pattern. Isn't that bomb? Not sponsored. Here's the dress, and I have to rebutton these shoes on the side. These are really hard to button, even though they're so cute. They remind me of like Spice Girls, you know? Spice Girls used to always wear the platform heels. I love those. But this is my outfit of the day. Fashion Nova and Amazon, baby. Watch. Y'all can see that. But yeah, pretty much what I'm gonna do, I want to go down to the pool, but I think I might do that later. But for right now, I am starving, literally starving. I'm starving, you guys. I haven't ate all day, and it's 3 o'clock, and I'm really like slacking because I need to get my day started. So we're probably gonna go to my aunt's house where I was at yesterday. So guys, I'm so sorry I have not been vlogging, but I'm on mommy duties. As you can see, we are about to go down to the pool. So I will show you guys my bathing suit when I get down there. Look at the family. Mom. Huh? Yeah, but it's in the room. So we're here. This is the only one that want to go in the pool. Okay. Gina, are you going to show them your trick when you jump off?
No.
Y'all, I know my vlog was probably really, really boring, but I'm terrible at vlogging. I have to get used to it. But this is our last night in Charlotte. I'm in the pool. And yeah, I'm trying not to drop my phone, because if I drop my phone, it'll be really hurt, and this water is cold. So my baby didn't want to go to the pool, so he with his cousin. She ain't even see me. Okay, so this is what we're doing on hurricane shit. Go, let's ready to You can swim. Who taught you how to swim?
I don't know, fish.
Oh my God. And seen this bathing suit, then check out my try-on haul, because I featured this bathing suit in my try-on haul because I did not wear it in the Bahamas when I went on vacation for my birthday. But I just went on, well, I went in the pool and took the kids in the pool, and that's pretty much going to be our last night in Charlotte because our hurricane is over. Like, this really wasn't a vacation, but we made the best out of it. Like I said, I'm so blessed that the hurricane did not destroy our home. Things could have been so much worse. We have a home to go back to. My heart is with the people in the Bahamas, but I'm going to end this vlog here, and I will be back with you guys with another video once I get back, once I get settled, and once I'm back in my normal routine and I'm not traveling. So I'll probably edit this vlog tonight and upload it, but until then, cool. Peace, Ashmarat.